When I see a hater, bitch, I always wish him well. Always wish him well.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Court here. So today I'm going to be doing another video on makeup, a beauty related video. Yes guys, I have my wig out. Like, y'all, can we talk about this growth though? This growth, this is literally, so I had a wig on in my last vlog, which is being uploaded today because my camera, my computer is stupid, but other than that, yeah, so I had my wig on for like a day or two, and tomorrow I am doing a change to my hair, so I'm really excited. I'll keep the length though, but I'm just gonna do a different color. But I like braided my hair really flat this time. I was like so amazed. I was like my hair, I did that, whatever. So I definitely like took it down after a day, and like if this is day 1, imagine day 2 and day 3 is probably bigger. So I'm finally at my hair goals. I need the color with it to like, you know, solidify the goal. But yeah, so I'm talking too much. So today we're going to be doing my updated everyday routine makeup routine. So I guess like this look is kind of like every day. If I did wear makeup every day, I don't wear makeup every day, but this is like how I would wear my makeup if I wore makeup every day. So subscribe guys to my channel. It's Vlogmas, and I love Vlogmas. Vlogmas makes me do these like stupid spirit fingers, like bring it on, spirit fingers. But yeah, so stay tuned. Let's get into this video. So I did my eyebrows off camera. What we're gonna do is first I put my primer on in my eyebrows. So now what I'm gonna do is my foundation, and right now I'm using Frankie Rose Cosmetic Matte Perfection foundation. You can get this from Riley Rose. It is in the color Latte. Yeah, so put it on this brush. This is the blurring foundation brush by Smashbox.
It's 3 a.m. I got your call. I know you've been in need of inspiration, but know your time, trying to control. Eventually gonna need some liberation. I cross your mind once in a while.
Next we're gonna take our blending brush, our blending sponge. It's just really, this is me. It's only literally 2 minutes in. Okay, so we're gonna take this. I'm gonna spray it with my setting spray, because I don't have anything else. I'm using the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray. I literally got this on sale. Like, I didn't even expect to get this on sale. But what I use for concealer, I really should have had everything like put and laid out for you guys, but you know, me, I don't do that. So what I'm using for concealer is Amazing Cosmetic and Deep and Dark Caramel. I don't really know where you can buy Amazing Cosmetics. I got this from my mentor in like a kit, a bundle, when I used to do makeup.
Know your time, trying to control. Eventually gonna need some liberation. I cross your mind once in a while. Okay, you have a wild imagination. I wanna see you do. Just drop a pin and then you send your location.
So I have this concealer all over my face. I look like a little potato. But yeah, now I'm gonna use, like, literally for everyday wear. When I did used to wear makeup often, I can't remember back when I used to wear makeup often. Maybe like over the summer because I was doing a lot of stuff. But for everyday wear, I usually do like very light makeup. This is really light. Like, I'm not really like putting a lot on. It's just foundation, concealer, and then now we're gonna do contour. And I use a powder contour from Morphe. It's vlogger. They literally like break down what vlogger means. Like I have two of them. So one says celebutante and it's celebrity and debutante. Like, thank you for the insight. And then this one is vlogger, video, and blogger. And this is called a bronzer. I'm literally like at the end. Like, sis is on her last leg. So I'm going to literally just go and bronzer this face up.
Imagination, I wanna see you do. Just drop a pin and then you send your location. Slide into your mind so silky. Up under the down we fly.
I am done contouring. I do contour before I bake because I don't know, I like a deep contour, but I contour again after I bake just because I don't know, I'm just dramatic. I like my face chiseled. Like, does anyone else not like that look? But yeah, so I'm gonna use Airspun because I'm out of Laura Mercier. I'm using Airspun. You can buy this at like, I don't know, CVS.
I got your call. I know you've been in need of inspiration, but know your time trying to.
Okay, so I am baking. We're baking. We still bake. Yes, y'all. I still bake. So I don't think that I need to do any more contouring, contouring. Maybe I do. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Because this time, like, I don't have a wig for this look. So, you know, I'm like all natural court, like, boom, like, I'm out there court, you know? So
The sheets all night under the sheets all night.
So if I was doing an everyday eyeshadow would be very, very basic, like not doing too much. So I have this Morphe palette and I'm gonna do like some cute little easy look I would do like for everyday. I don't know why this brush is about to break, but yeah, so I'll link everything down in the description box below. Also what I'm using, because I want y'all to get slayed for the day.
It's 3 a.m. I got your call. I know you've been in need of inspiration, but know your time trying to control. Eventually gonna need some.
So I did this like really easy like orangey look. I use the Morphe. Again, this palette is the, it doesn't really give a number. Oh, the 9B Bronzed Babe. So basically like this look is very everyday bronze. I really like bronze looks. Like I love summer looks in the winter. Like they're just the best. Yeah, I just got stuck using this. So you know where to highlight, girls. You highlight on your cheekbone, on your nose, upper lips, and forehead. Just a little bit. Definitely on the nose bridge. I don't contour my nose. I really don't feel like I need to. So I really don't do that for every day. Next, I do my blush, which I use the same blush I've been using. It is the Raspberry 8312 Artesian Baked Blush from, I want to say this is Iman Cosmetics. I'm not really sure. No, Black Beauty. I don't remember what this one is from. I know it's from Target and it's a black brand. That's all I know. But I just like do a little bit on my cheeks. Not too much, because I don't like it to overcast, like be too bright. Okay, that's kind of bright on that side. I gotta make it bright on this side. But yeah, just give a little color to my cheeks. My brush is falling apart. After that, that's when I start to do my eyelashes. So I'm putting on my brows. To start, I'm using this duo, like, I don't know if you guys can see it. No, you probably can't. Okay, so it's the duo 2-in-1 brush on strip lash adhesive. I'm using the clear because that dark, bro, I suggest if you guys get this, you guys should use the dark for you should do the dark for when you're wearing eyeliner. I'm not wearing any eyeliner, so I'm gonna use clear because y'all, that dark, it literally goes on dark. Like, I don't understand it, to be honest. I don't understand why it goes on dark, but whew. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it.
I got your call. I know you've been in need of inspiration. You know your time, trying to control. Eventually gonna need some liberation. I cross your mind once in a while. Okay, you have.
So, had to put my lashes on off camera because it was like acting, my lashes were acting so. Excuse me. Ew. So now I'm gonna take the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day spray. And by the way, did I say that this is coconut scented. It's so strong though, like low-key I like it for a setting spray, but it's very, very, very strong. So I'm gonna take my hair down. Oh yeah, I forgot my last look. My lips. Usually this is what I forget to do. Even in a real life, like a real setting, I forget my lips most of the time. So I'm gonna use this lip pencil. This is I like this color. Nutmeg is pretty. And then I'm going to use I am done with my look. So now I'm going to take my hair down so we can get the final look. Right. Final look. How'd I do, girls? Rate me in the comment section below how you guys think this everyday look is to you. I hope that I did this really good. I just really do hope that I did this really good because this is how I would dress, I would look. Let me kind of move back. Oh, I found a lip gloss. But yeah, so this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me likes, comments, tell me what you like about the video. Tell me what you guys want to know about makeup. Like, let's talk, girls. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, everything else. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really love this look. Like, I love my hair with the look. I love my makeup. Like, I did really good. I would give myself a 9 or 10 because I'm used to myself doing this every time I go out. So yeah, I really love this look. Yeah, and stay tuned, guys. I might do a giveaway this month. I probably will do a beauty giveaway this month. So stay tuned. I have three beauty videos coming. In one of these 3, this is counted, you guys will know about the giveaway. Subscribe again, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed.
About the Khaleesi, the soul seeking levels that I'm reaching. Never preaching, it's just how I see things. I'm a pretty Zen bitch, hit him with a bell. Sitting by the pool, meditating in Chanel. Mama always said that my word is like a spell. When I see a hater, bitch, I always wish him well. Always wish him well, yeah, always wish him well. Blessings coming back like they going on sale. How you gon' win if you only give him hell?